today I'm going to be showing you how to draw this boy on your screen. So let's get on to it. These is the measurements on your screen. So yeah. First, we're just going to draw like the side part of the nose on the vertical line. You drew at an angle. And on the top of the line, we're just going to draw another horizontal one. Just going to adjust the shape of the head. We can change this later if it's not looking right, but it's just a rough sketch. So by the dot we put on those two lines, the nose should be over there, and we're just going to draw the basic side face. Now we'll move on to the lips. Just gonna do that. That's just the chin. So now we're just gonna erase that line. We just erased all the lines, and we'll just draw the chin. Guys, if the head doesn't look right to you, you can fix it and adjust it. You can do whatever you'd like. Now just gonna draw like a straight line in the like gap for the eye. Just gonna do the eye like that. Drawing the circle inside, that's the eyeball. And guys, this drawing is very easy. Just do the shading and everything. If the nose is too big or something, you can fix its shape or something. Your choice. Just gonna draw the other eye. That's the eyebrow. That's the eyelid right there. First we have to draw the eyelid, then the eyelash, and then we should move on to the main thing for the other eye. Now we're just gonna draw a rough like an eyebrow shape. If it doesn't look right to you, you can just erase it and do it all over again later. Now guys, we'll just draw like some rough lines. That's where we're going to be drawing the hair. So this is a pretty basic hairstyle, but at the end it'll look amazing. I'm just gonna draw like the rest of the hair by the side. So guys, that's just the ear. Just drawing a basic ear. So yeah, now just gonna do like the rest of the hair and everything. And remember to make it look realistic and everything. That's just like the collar part of the jacket. We're gonna do shading on this later. I'm just gonna draw a line there and for the rest of the coat. Doing some dark outlines. Guys, remember, every drawing needs outlines. It'll make the drawing just pop out and stand out and everything. It's just like a last touch. So, just gonna darken them. And guys, you can do this with charcoal pencils if you want. It's just your choice. Now we're just gonna draw the hair, and guys, remember hair, like we need to draw the hair with very, very thin strokes. Make sure you're doing this with a nice sharpened pencil. Give the hair a lot of volume. That'll also make the face pop up and stand out. Just gonna draw the neck there. Just gonna like darken the outlines of everything. So now we're just gonna draw the lips. We're gonna shade it in. Guys, it doesn't have to be very dark. You can lighten it with a razor. Darken the shading by the eye. We're gonna use a cotton bud to blend. There's two things that are very good to blend. Blending stump, cotton bud, or tissue. Just gonna do the shading. Don't have to make this very dark. If it's very, very dark, just press on it with an eraser and it'll lighten up. Gonna do the shading in like Europe. So guys, we're just going to erase that line and we're just going to erase the other shading. And yeah. So guys, this is the basic drawing. I hope you're gonna have a wonderful day. Please like, share, and subscribe.